Hello Excel lovers, my name is David and I'm from Excel Consulting, and in this video I'm going to show you some more cool stuff that you can do with the ideas feature in Excel. I already have a couple of videos on this, but here I'm going to talk about clusters, correlations, and frequency charts, anything to do with numerical continuous fields. So let's head over to Excel, and if you set your data up in a table, you can go to Ideas on the far right of the Home tab, and it opens up with artificial intelligence enabled ideas about your data. Now, I've got other videos where I talk about how it works with dates and categorical fields. In this one, I'm just going to talk about numerical fields. And this feature, which is quite new, is going to help me. Which fields interest you the most? So I'm going to untick select all. And I'm just going to go for hours attended, and over here sessions, cost paid, and exam performance. And you can here decide if you want an average, a sum, or if it's not a value. Here I'm going to pick sum, average, update. And now it's only going to give me things around that, which is cool. So what things can we find here? So here is an example of a cluster analysis with outliers. So if I click Insert Chart, this is comparing two different columns in my data, two fields, the purple one and the blue one. And it's saying that hours attended and exam performance appear to form a cluster with three outliers. So this is the main cluster, and these are the three outliers. So I can click on this one. What's this one showing me? So this is saying that sessions and cost paid appear highly correlated. So that's not so surprising if you think about the fact that people pay per session typically, so it should be correlated. But what I like to do with these correlation plots and these scatter charts is I tend to click on the trend line, right click, and format trend line. What I like to show is the R-squared value. So this is showing you how reliable it is and how correlated it is. And the closer R-squared is to 1, generally the better it is. So 0.755 is reasonably high, so that's quite good. The other thing you might want to do is, with the trend line, also tick on display the equation on the chart. This is more complicated, and I guess it's a mathematical thing, but if you're into statistics, then it is quite helpful. Another thing that you have here, show all results, is frequency distribution. So I'm going to go here, insert chart, and this is using an Excel new visual from 2016 called a histogram. If I change chart type, I see it falls in the histogram category. And what it does is it looks at only one column, and it says how many rows of data are in the brackets between 1 and 4, how many of them are between 4 and 7, 7 and 10, etc. Now, what isn't that great about some of these is that it does it for cost paid, for example, and it gives me these ranges that seem really, really obscure, sort of like this. Now, you can change that if you click on the axis, right click, and format axis. You have these histogram options. And instead of the number of bins, I'm going to click on bin width. And I'm just going to write a standard number like that. And you can also play around with your overflows and underflows if you want to. But generally, I'm going to keep it like that. So yeah, that's something you may want to change. Cool. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, I have others on Excel's Ideas feature, all using artificial intelligence. And I have tons of other videos on Excel, Power BI, PowerPoint, other Microsoft Office stuff. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and you will get more frequent updates of this awesome content. All right, thanks for watching.